Hey guys, welcome to Learn with DevOps Engineer channel. Like, share and subscribe for more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to enable Kubernetes on Docker desktop. Let's get started. I'm going to open Docker desktop on Windows 10 computer. Once we open that, we'll see Docker container, like Docker is like running, Docker engine is like running. Let's go to the settings. In here, you see multiple options: general, resources, Docker engine, experimental features, and Kubernetes. So I'm going to click on Kubernetes. Here, there's an option to enable Kubernetes that will start a single node cluster for us. So I'm going to enable this option, apply and restart. So I would like to install this. This will take some time. It will install all the required files to enable Kubernetes. So this will take some time. Kubernetes got enabled successfully. As you can see, this is like running right now. This is like a Docker container running, and Kubernetes cluster, single node cluster is also running. Now let's try to create a pod using this YAML file. Here we are going to create a name container test pod using this particular image, and we are going to ping this particular IP. We are going to run this command within this container. So to do that, I am going to use kubectl apply -f is like file name pod.yaml. Press enter. As you can see, demo pod got created. If you go back here, you should be able to see a pod running. This is like a pod which is like running right now. We can see into the specifics if you want. As you can see, it is like trying to ping the command which we gave within the container. So this is how we are going to use Kubernetes to create pods within the Docker desktop. We can use this. Now, if I want to delete, I'm going to use kubectl delete -f pod.yaml. So this will delete the pod which we created. Pod demo deleted. So we should not see this after the deletion. So this is like still in progress. So this is like the YAML file which we created to create as well as to delete pods. This is the best way of using Kubernetes, like pods, to create and to delete as well. This got exited. That means it got deleted. As you can see, there's nothing inside here. I mean, previously we were seeing 2 pods like running. Right now we don't see anything. So we have successfully created and deleted pods in like Kubernetes, like containers within Kubernetes using Docker desktop. Thank you for watching this video.